ER verb conjugations in French set to goodbyes by Post Malone. Take an infinitive, drop the last letters too. Take a look at the stem, sometimes called the root. Add some new letters new. Look carefully how. I'll show you how tonight. I'll tell you to listen up. This is important stuff. The 6 endings you must memorize. Get them into your head. Get them into your head tonight. I am trying to help you, 'cause you could use the help too as you conjugate. Je forme ends in an E, 2 ends in ES, il and L and an E, OE as well. The new ONS, the VU is so easy, il, L, E, and T. I'll tell you to listen up. This is important stuff. These 6 endings you must memorize. Get them into your head. Get them into your head tonight. I'm just trying to help you, 'cause you could use the help too as you conjugate. When you conjugate an ER verb like MA, first remove the 2-lettered ending, ER, take the remaining root or stem, rewrite it in all 6 boxes, and add your new endings of E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. J'aime, tu aimes, il, elle, on aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils, elles aiment.